I got a frickin' Discord. Y'all go follow me. I love to talk to y'all. And go click that subscribe button. It is completely free, or I'll delete your Animal Jam account. Enjoy! Ooh, they added the new nacho machine. Pure heaven in my mouth. That was good.
Please, somebody help, please!
Is everything okay?
No, everything is not okay. There's a data breach going on outside.
A data breach? What happened?
I don't know, but many players are getting attacked. We don't know what to do.
Run along inside. Go in where it's safe. Get behind a counter. Hurry.
No, Sandy, that's not how the card works. You see, you move your stick towards to... Commander.
Mayday, mayday. Send in the suit. Send in the suit. I repeat, send the suit.
Roger that. Whoa.
What is going on?
There is only one answer to that question. A data breach.
Let us fight the phantoms. I gotta get out there. And fast. Okay, now I gotta find what is causing this data breach.
It is from a giant human in the real world.
Well, that made life 10 times easier. Thanks, bud.
Yeah, it's whatever.
Okay, now I gotta figure out how am I going to get into the real world.
Go to the Lost Temple of Zeus, jump 3 times, and you'll be there.
Dang, you really are making my life easier. Thanks again.
It ain't a problem.
Okay, I made it. Now, I have to jump 3 times. Wow. I never knew the human world was so non-pixelated. But I gotta find my real goal and figure out what's causing the data breach. I mean, it wouldn't hurt to snoop just for a little bit.